Today we will learn about farm animals. This is a cow. Moo moo moo. Say it with me. Moo moo moo. Good job. This is a sheep. Me me. Say me me me. Great. This is a goose. Quack, quack, quack. Repeat after me, quack, quack, quack. Nice job. This is a horse. Neigh, 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 it's your turn. Neigh, neigh, neigh.